Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday we were reading chapter 9, the topic Independence Day. I told you about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. India got freedom on this day in 1947. Every year on this day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Now, today our topic is Republic Day. Republic Day of India is celebrated on 26 January because on this day the Constitution of India, which was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, came into force. The Indian National Congress and many other parties used to celebrate January 26 as the symbol of independence even before India became an independent nation. Constitution is a set of laws and father of Constitution is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates coming into force of its constitution. In true sense, we become independent on 26 January 1950. The Republic Day is celebrated with a grand parade that is held at Rajpath in the country's capital, New Delhi. The national flag is hoisted and national anthem is played. The parade displays India's defense capability and cultural and social heritage. State capitals also have their state celebrations. The President addresses the Republic Day, whereas the Prime Minister addresses the Independence Day. Do you know, my dear kids, no nation in this world has a constitution which is as long as our constitution. It is the largest constitution in the world. It is not possible to read our constitution in one day. The Constitution of India came into being on January 26, 1950 from 10:18 am. Let's have a quick recap. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. The President takes the salute of the Grand Parade at Rajpath, New Delhi. All the wings of our armed force, folk dancers, and school children take part in this parade. They also present cultural programs. My dear students, today your homework is write a paragraph on Republic Day. Now it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.